Good morning, everybody. My name is Jeff.White at Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. It's Monday morning. I'm going to show you this wonderful Lance truck camper. It's a $995. You do not have to have a dually for this to work. It will fit on a 3500 truck. Follow me. We'll go around here to the side. We've got propane tanks right here, 2 of them, which are, you get new ones in full, ready to go when you purchase from us. Outside shower. And a big storage area. It does come with a 2500K generator, Owen generator, which is really nice. Power jacks. More storage right here. And then, like I was saying, you get new battery with your purchase here. Plus they go through and show you, do a walkthrough with you and show you how everything works and operates. They get you set up, you can take off and go camping right when you leave our delivery situation or service area. Okay, let's go on inside and show you what we got in there. Plus they have a nice ladder to climb up on top and keyless entry, which a lot of people really like. Inside you'll find lots of room with the big slide out in really good colors of fabric. A nice booth type table so you can sit there and play cards if you want, or chit chat, eat dinner. A nice refrigerator and freezer. This is a Norcold. Lots of room. Quite a bit of room in shelves, to be honest. Nice big bed up there to sleep on. Windows on each side. Nice little sliding closet door. TV. Sound system. And once again, it has a really good neutral colors. Nice big one sink, so you can do pots and pans and stuff in there. Cupboards that open up and give you lots of space. Nice solid wood. They're like piston hinges, so they stay open. Nice little microwave that is very handy. 3-burner gas stove and cooktop. And there is some space in there. Now, you can't put a big old turkey in there, but it's got space. More storage. This is one thing I really like. There we go. Nice little spice rack, pantry, canned goods and stuff on it. You can hold a lot of stuff on this. Very, very handy. Just another drawer for more storage and space. Well, I guess I can't get that open. And our wet, dry bathroom. Very popular, very user-friendly, all-in-one contained. Sink. Lots more drawer space here. Real deep, nice birch wood. Nice metal drawer guides. Nice padded leather. Got the same thing here. You look and see how deep those are. You can put a lot of stuff in there. And one thing to keep in mind is this will convert into a bed, so you can sleep like 3 people here if you'd like to. And one thing I missed over here is there's more storage underneath the sink. More storage here. Actually a garbage can actually, which is really nice, convenient. So you don't have to have one sitting on the floor. And then silverware drawer. More drawer space. It's a nice little 3-bank drawer. Convenient. Look at all this drawer space you have right here. You put fishing poles in there if you'd like to. Well, you guys, thanks for looking at my video and checking it out. If you're interested in this, I'm Jeff.White at Guaranty. My phone number is 541-671-1840. This is our Lance truck camper 995, and it is able to haul on a non-dually 3500 truck. Thanks. Give me a call if you're interested in this, or email me at jeff.white@guaranty.com. Thanks. Have a great day.